how we dry out the wet supers. A lot of people frown on this because we've got a bunch of mixed colonies in together, but all they want is that leftover honey, and they'll clean all of those frames completely dry so that they can be stored for the winter without molding. Just impressive. You get that many bees, and it sounds scary, but it's not. They're not defensive. This one got stuck in your hair, maybe. And they always stop to take a break. And clean up before they head back to the hive.